Hybrid workplace solution, a buyer's guide. Why do you need a buyer's guide? Leveraging this guide can assist companies to save significant time to value by adopting structured approach for selection and purchase of technology. Improve employee experience, productivity and in-person collaboration by using hybrid workplace platforms. Optimize real estate, energy and facility service costs significantly. Let's now discover what's in the buyer's guide. A step-by-step process for adopting new technology. Understanding the solution categories and choosing the best one for your business. How to evaluate the goal statement for this transition. And templates, tools and expert resources to help you throughout the process. Now, let's see a clearly laid out technology purchasing process to plan this acquisition. The process of buying technology consists of the following 6 steps. Problem identification, solution exploration, requirement building, supplier selection, due diligence and negotiations, deploy and adopt. What will this help you achieve? Coming up with goal statement for this transition. How to coordinate with different stakeholders to identify the problems. An approach to evaluate vendors and solution providers. How to do due diligence like a pro. Factors to consider while choosing a hybrid workplace solution. Manage purchasing, deployment, implementation. Research shows that planning drives better procurement in terms of speed and lack of purchase regret. Scan the QR code to download the guide, titled Hybrid Workplace Solution, a Buyer's Guide. Contact us for more details.